Imagine a world where your thoughts become reality, not in some distant future, but right now in your everyday life. Sound too good to be true? It's not. In fact, it's happening all the time, whether you're aware of it or not. Your mind is like a garden, and your thoughts are the seeds. But here's the catch. There's a part of your mind that doesn't discriminate between the flowers and the weeds. It simply takes what you plant and makes it grow. This non-discriminating part is your subconscious mind. It doesn't argue, it doesn't reason, it just accepts and acts. Every thought you think, every belief you hold is being absorbed by your subconscious and turned into your reality. Think about that for a moment. Those nagging fears, those persistent worries, your subconscious is working tirelessly to bring them to life. But the same goes for your dreams, your aspirations, your deepest desires. So how do we harness this incredible power? The key lies in understanding that your subconscious mind is the seat of habit. Every thought you repeat, every belief you reinforce, creates deep grooves in your subconscious. If you've been stuck in patterns of fear or worry, don't despair. The remedy is simpler than you might think. By consciously choosing constructive, harmonious thoughts and repeating them frequently, you can form new habits of thought and life. Imagine decreeing freedom, happiness, and perfect health to your subconscious mind. It has no choice but to accept these new instructions and start working to make them your reality. Your subconscious mind is incredibly powerful, connected to your divine source and inherently creative. By aligning your conscious thoughts with your deepest desires, you're essentially programming your personal supercomputer to manifest your dreams. Are you ready to take control of your thoughts and, by extension, your life? The power has been within you all along. It's time to use it.